Nginalo mfana Zulu relax. Now we have taken it. Awakanabo umuntu nje. Akanabo umuntu kwayena. Sekungama wonke umuntu ngenxa yokuthi udliwa awu.
And then what then happens there?
Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Big Zulu has currently been trending because he actually called our South African gospel star Dumi Mkokstad mfana. Now guys, they had a tournament that one team consisted of the gospel team, which consists of gospel artists, and then the other team was the Kum team, which consisted of Kum artists. So Big Zulu falling underneath there and Tira falling underneath them. The Kum team won, but at the end of the game, Dumi was basically like, listen, you guys did not win fair and square, and was basically like giving out his reasons of why he felt he knows for a fact that the home team won unfairly. So that's where the whole commotion basically is coming from. He's trying to explain with, these people did not win fairly. That he went onto Twitter and said something like he knows. He has been a football player, for some of you guys that don't know, and he knows the rules of football. And yeah, he says that the home team, there's quite a number of rules that they basically broke, and based on that, they should have not won. Big Zulu was basically, irritated at the fact of like, why are you coming to bring it out now and calling him mfana? So Twitter or the X streets is actually divided around that. Some people saying that it was uncalled for Big Zulu to call Dumi mfana because, he is a man who has a family, so he should not be calling him mfana. And other people actually saying, well, Dumi Mkokstad is a gospel artist. What do gospel people or what do born-again Christians do? They keep quiet. So he should have just kept quiet and let it go. And Dumi is basically like, no ways. I was not going to let it go because hashtag rules are rules. Guys, like, I was laughing. If you rewatch this whole video, you guys, from the beginning, where Tira's just folding his arms and he's just looking and listening, looking confused. That is me right now. Like, it's just all so funny for me, and I really don't get to why people are taking this personally. On my end, I just feel like, Abafana, when it comes to football, this is how they get. So I choose personally not to take it personally, and I really hope, and I don't think they are taking it personally like that. Well, I really hope that they're not taking it personally like that. On the football ground or field, I feel like there's no accolades. All of them there, guys, or the majority of them on that field are big stars. So I think it's a bit uncalled for people to say like he's that Dumi Mkokstad is someone's wife. Like, okay, you're someone's wife outside the field. Like, this is soccer. Everyone is mfana in soccer, guys. So I don't think Big Zulu really meant it like that, or I want to believe he didn't mean it like that. But I guess we'll see over the days. Maybe or maybe later today, and guys, maybe he will apologize because of the way people received it. But when it comes to soccer, guys, I choose to not take people seriously because these people get heated up. And then a few days later, they are fine. And then we are out here as the public busy choosing sides. Anyway, guys, tell me, what do you think? Do you feel like Big Zulu, or what Big Zulu said, was uncalled for? Do you feel like Dumi Mkokstad, he should have just taken an L for the team? Yeah, tell me what you think. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.